Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. For you to solve this kind of equation, you need to really recall the properties of indices. Now, if you look at this equation, we are given that x raised to the power of 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of y over x raised to the power of 8 is equal to x raised to the power of 20. Then we are asked to find the value of y that will satisfy this equation. To solve this equation, the first thing we need to recall is multiplication properties of indices. And the law stated that whenever you have an expression separated by multiplication with the same basis, what are we going to do? We write one of the base, then we add the power. So this is what I mean. For instance, you have a raised to the power of x multiplied by a raised to the power of y. So if you look at this equation, it has the same basis. So according to multiplication properties of indices, write one of the base, then you add the exponent. So the first power is x plus y. And we are going to also recall division properties of indices. We stated that when you have a raised to the power of x over a raised to the power of y, this is division and the bases are the same. What are we going to do? We write one of the base, which is a, then we subtract the power. So x, which is the first power, then minus the second power. So this is division properties of indices. The first one is multiplication. We write one of the base, you add the power if and only if the bases are the same. So likewise to division law, we subtract the power. So these two properties, this is what is going to help us to solve for the value of y from this equation. So what do we do? First, let's apply multiplication properties of indices to the numerator in the left hand side. As you can see, x, and this is dot multiplication. So the bases are the same. So we're going to write one of the base, then we add the exponent. The first power is 5 plus the second power, which is y, then everything over x raised to the power of 8, which is equal to x raised to the power of 20. Now, the next thing we're going to do is for us to use these division properties of indices. As you can see here, x and x, the bases are the same, and this is division. So what are we going to do? We write one of the base, which is x, then we subtract the power. So the first power is 5 plus y, then minus the second power, which is 8. Then everything will be equal to x raised to the power of 20. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to recall that when the bases are the same and there's equality sign, then the power are also the same. As you can see, x and x, the bases are the same. Now we need to equate the power. So the first power is 5 plus y minus 8, which is equal to the second power, which is 20. Now we can easily solve the value of y from this linear equation. So what are we going to do? 5 minus 8. So here we are going to have y. Then 5 minus 8 is going to give us minus 3, which is equal to 20. Then we add 3 to both sides of the equation. So here we are going to have y. Minus 3 plus 3 is going to be 0. Here we're going to have equal to 20 plus 3 is going to give us 23. So therefore, 23 is the value of y that satisfies this exponential equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow this page for more videos like this.